Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to study Python programming language for beginners updated. Start by installing Python and picking an editor like VS Code, then run a Hello World script. Focus on core concepts, variables, loops, conditionals, and functions, and type simple programs each day. Keep sessions short, build projects that interest you, and read docs when stuck to reinforce learning in a consistent, practical way. Begin by mastering core data types and collections, and then move to functions and control flow. Build tiny programs that use lists, dicts, and functions to solve real problems. Practice reading error messages and use basic debugging tools like print and the editor debugger. Balance reading with coding by following short tutorials and then rewriting examples from memory to cement concepts and grow your confidence. Pick small projects that solve a real need, like a calculator, file parser, or task tracker, and iterate on them. Use short challenges to sharpen problem solving and time management, and push code to GitHub so you can track progress. Read other people's code, ask for feedback, and refactor your solutions to learn better patterns. This hands-on practice makes concepts stick and builds a useful portfolio.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.